Are you new to business meetings and you want to get it right? Well, watch this video for top 3 tips you can use in order to be successful at your next business meeting. Hi, I'm Adriana Girdler, President of Cornerstone Dynamics and a productivity expert. So you've landed your first business meeting. Congratulations. Well, guess what? Meetings are now going to be part of your life. So I have 3 tips for you that are going to ensure that your business meetings that you attend are successful. Tip number 1, be prepared. It is really important in business meetings because time is tight that you're prepared. Read the agenda if one has been given to you. If you have any pre-read material, make sure that you read it before you attend the meeting. That will ensure that you're prepared and that when you go into the meeting, you can actively participate. And more importantly, arrive early so you're not walking in late. Tip number 2, participate. Yeah, I know. It's a given, isn't it? Is it? A lot of times it's not when people are new on a job. They feel very like they're not able to give their 2 cents. Well, guess what? You can, and you really should. You're invited to the meeting for a very specific reason. You may have some knowledge that people want to hear from you, and particularly when you're new to the business world, let me tell you, we want to hear what these new thoughts and ideas are all about. So when you are in a meeting and participate, be respectful, listen, wait your turn, and ensure that you get to the point. But definitely participate, because if you don't, people will notice that, and they brought you in for a very good reason. Tip number 3, phone etiquette. Yeah, I'm talking about these lovely things. We bring them with us everywhere, and guess what? They are notorious for being meeting disruptors. People texting away, responding as a meeting is going on, which means you're not paying attention. So with this little phone, put it on Do Not Disturb, or better yet, don't even bring it. And don't worry about what other people are doing. If people are also working on their phone, don't follow suit, because I promise you, we all see it, we all note it, and we all get pissed off by it. So don't do it. Just don't bring your phone and have really good phone etiquette. So let me know if you are now ready for your first business meeting. If you'd like to have more information on meetings, because they really are a big part of businesses, well then check out my pocketbook, Good Meetings Equals Great Results. Lots of great tips and tricks in order how to participate in a meeting, but even more yet, how to run one. On that note, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and more importantly, share this with your friends, family, and colleagues. Until next time, see you later.